Red. For the second spring in a row, Apple has released a product red version of the iPhone. Last year, it was all about iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. This year, it's iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. Why no iPhone 10? If I had to guess, anodizing the aluminum band on the iPhone 8 to the precise shade Apple and product red want is doable. Vapor deposition on stainless steel? Maybe not so much. So we get 8 and 8 Plus in red. Both the band and the new glass back, which, with its 7-layer process, manages to look even deeper and more red than last year. There's also a twist. Where iPhone 7 was red and white, iPhone 8 is red and black. Different people will have different preferences, but alternating year after year gives everyone a chance. And, of course, no one will confuse your hot new red iPhone with last year's model. From the camera housings to the Apple logo to the iPhone branding, everything looks crisp and clean. The only exception, like last year, are the screws and the lightning port. Just a guess, but the materials used there likely pose the same challenges as the band on the iPhone 10. There's also a new Folio case that lets you have your red and protect it too. They're just the latest additions to Apple's Product Red lineup, a charity that helps in the global fight against HIV and AIDS. Apple and its customers have donated more than $160 million to Red to date. And it's incredibly meaningful that I can buy the products I love in the color I love and contribute to something so critically important all at the same time. But back to red. It's fire red. It's blazing red. It's so damn red I was afraid it would melt my production Mac the moment I imported it. But not a deal breaker. Not when everything on your Mac or PC can be backed up, everything that matters to you, and made available everywhere, all with Backblaze for just $5 a month. And because Backblaze is sponsoring the show, if you go to backblaze.com/vector, you can begin your fully featured 15-day trial today. Thanks, Backblaze. iPhone 8 in product red starts at 64 gigabytes for $699, with options for 256 gigabytes and the bigger dual-camera iPhone 8 Plus. You can buy it starting this Friday, April 13. Go red.